Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Gigan, but I'm going to be drawing him as if he was in the Legendary Monsterverse. If you guys like this video and if you want to see some more Godzilla Titans in this style, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try to draw some. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy this video. Now to start off with our legendary version of what Gigan could possibly look like in the Monsterverse, let's begin up here with the eye. So I'm going to begin by making a curved line that's just going to kind of come up and then down here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then I'm going to bring this up. I'm going to make this line come out and then up here. I'm going to make this line come down here to a point. Then we're going to bring this up and then down. I'm going to bring this line down here. We're going to bring it up and down again. I'm going to bring this over. We're going to come down and then up. We'll make a curved line here with a couple little lines for the back of the mouth. We're going to put a few kind of sharp teeth here and a few sharp teeth here. And we're going to bring this line up here for the other side of the mouth. Next, I'm going to bring a couple little lines up here. Now I'm going to bring this back and then down here for some detail. I'm going to make a line that's going to come out here to a point, and then we're going to bring this back here for a spike. We're going to make a little curve for some detail on there. Next, I'm going to curve some lines up here for the neck. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then into here for like the chest. I'm going to continue this line down, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down here at an angle. I'm going to curve it here, or make a line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down here to a sharp point, and we're going to bring this back here. I'm going to put a couple little bumps here as well for some detail. Next, I'm going to make like this curve here, and then a couple more little curves right here. I'm going to make some lines coming down here. I'm going to bring this line down here. For the leg, I'm going to bring this line down and then back. Then I'm going to bring it down here. We'll put a couple curves, and then I'm going to put one big pointed claw and then a second really close to it. Then I'm going to bring this line up here with a little point, and I'll bring it in, then we're going to curve up. The other leg, I'm going to come down here and then in. I want to bring this down, and we're going to do that same thing. Sharp claw, and then another sharp claw right by it. I want to bring this line up to a point, and then in here. We're going to make a sharp claw on each one with a couple little lines right around it. Next, right here, I'm going to bring this line out. We're going to bring this down here. We're going to make this come down to a sharp point. And we're going to bring this back up here. We'll make this kind of curve down with a couple more little lines here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some kind of pointed, bumpy lines. I'm going to make a couple little curves here. Now I'm going to bring this line up here. to a point, and then I'm going to bring this all the way down for the tail. Now for that big fin on the back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here and I'm going to make some small kind of spikes that are just going to kind of slowly get bigger as they get towards the back here. And then they're going to slowly kind of start getting smaller and smaller. And then we're going to stop right about here. Then I'm just going to go down and up with some nice curves just to connect these. So we're just going to kind of go up and down just to connect this big kind of fin sail on here. Now, this is our basic shape of our Monsterverse Gigan. Now let's come on in here and add some of the cool, fun details. So one of the things down here is I'm going to make this kind of like big line right across here and a couple little extra lines on those big claws. Let's put a little dot here for like a nose, and let's kind of curve this around. We'll do a little line here and then a couple little lines kind of right around the eyes and then the mouth here. We'll do a couple more little lines coming down the spike here. And then we'll kind of make some lines kind of coming up here to kind of connect the neck. I'm going to make this long line that kind of comes down here. And we're going to bring it down here to the tail. And I want to make tons and tons of little kind of broken dotted lines in here to kind of give it a little bit of like that scaly texture. So I'm going to make these small little broken lines all across here. We're going to bring these all around here just for some fun detail. And then we're going to make these lines kind of coming all the way down here as well. Just lots and lots of little fun kind of broken lines all across here. And we're just going to bring these down, kind of add some fun texture onto Gigan. We'll add a couple little curved lines here and some lines kind of coming down the arms. Even a couple lines across just to give it some dimension. Add a little bit of detail there. I like to make some curved lines kind of right where the knees would be. And some little lines kind of coming across. And we'll do this on each leg, maybe a line or two coming up as well. Make a little curved line here. And let's make some fun lines kind of coming down the tail. And then a few lines onto these fins here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of Gigan if he was in the new Legendary Monsterverse. If you guys like this and would like to see some more of the classic Godzilla monsters and what they might look like in the Legendary verse, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to try to draw them. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.